Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Aukivon 2026 upgraded solar pool heater with adjustable support feet. There are features include: eco-friendly solar heating. Harness the sun's energy for a green and energy-efficient pool heating solution for a sustainable and cost-effective way to keep your pool warm, allowing you to enjoy a luxurious swim without harming the environment. Sun-kissed efficiency. Curved design maximizes sunlight exposure, enhancing heating efficiency for a warmer and cozier pool. Features upgraded adjustable feet for stable positioning on various surfaces, allowing optimal angle adjustment to maximize sun exposure throughout the day. The included plumber's tape reinforces the connection between the pipes and the heater, making it less prone to leaks. Premium HDPE material. Enjoy superior insulation and heating performance with our high-quality HDPE solar pool heater that will hold up against frequent exposure to the sun and outdoor elements. Besides, the upgraded hose has a thickened design to avoid water leakage. Extended swim season. The Curve solar pool heater has been designed for above ground and most in-ground pools. Dive into a prolonged swimming season with our upgraded solar pool heater. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.